Ever wondered what it's like to sink your teeth into a dish that's been savored by ancient desert travelers and modern food enthusiasts alike? Camel meat, a delicacy in many parts of the world, might not be on the menu at your local diner, but it's a fascinating ingredient with a rich history and a complex production process. Join us as we explore the journey of camel meat, from desert sands to dinner plates, revealing the intriguing steps and sustainable practices behind this unique food source. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. Imagine a time when camels were not just transport beasts, but also a source of nourishment for nomadic tribes. The use of camel meat dates back thousands of years, stretching across the vast deserts of the Middle East and Africa. Historically, camels were prized not only for their endurance, but also for their meat, which provided essential protein in harsh environments. In the 7th century, camels became an integral part of the Arabian diet, with their meat featured in various traditional dishes. Fast forward to today, and camel meat is enjoying a renaissance. Its lean, nutritious profile and unique flavor are making waves beyond its traditional regions, capturing the curiosity of chefs and foodies around the globe. Who would have thought that an animal so synonymous with arid expanses would become the star of the culinary world? Now let's dive into the camel meat production process. Our adventure starts in the arid landscapes where camels are raised. These hardy creatures are raised in countries like Saudi Arabia, Somalia, and Australia. Did you know that camels can survive up to 2 weeks without water? Their resilience makes them an ideal choice for regions with scarce resources. Discovery Challenge. Did you know that camels are often referred to as ships of the desert? What's your favorite unusual animal nickname? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Once camels reach maturity, they're selected for processing based on health and quality. This stage is crucial as the meat's flavor and tenderness are influenced by the camel's diet and overall condition. The journey continues at the processing plant, where the camels are humanely slaughtered following strict regulations. The meat is then carefully inspected to ensure it meets health and safety standards. Fun fact: camel meat is known for being lower in fat and cholesterol compared to beef, making it a heart-healthy option. As the meat is cut into manageable portions, it undergoes rigorous quality checks. Each cut is tagged and recorded, ensuring traceability from the source to the consumer. It's a process as meticulous as a well-rehearsed dance routine. Now let's talk about how camel meat gets ready for its journey to your plate. After cutting, the meat is packaged and preserved, usually through chilling or freezing. This step ensures that the meat retains its freshness and flavor, no matter how far it travels. Did you know that camel meat can be kept frozen for up to 12 months without losing its quality? Talk about long-lasting freshness! With packaging complete, camel meat embarks on its distribution journey. It travels from processing plants to markets, restaurants, and specialty stores worldwide. This step involves sophisticated logistics to ensure the meat arrives in perfect condition. Ever wondered how far camel meat travels before it reaches your plate? On average, it can cover thousands of miles, crossing continents and climates. Camel meat production is not only about flavor and tradition, but also about sustainability. Compared to other livestock, camels have a lower environmental footprint. They require less water and feed, making them a more eco-friendly option in arid regions. Additionally, their ability to graze on sparse vegetation reduces the impact on land resources. Efforts are continually made to improve animal welfare and minimize environmental impact throughout the production process. It's a commitment to ensuring that camel meat production aligns with sustainable practices and respects our planet. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of camel meat. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.